Haha. Hey. Not cool. Not cool at all.
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor, come.
Bert the Burk?
Coordinates received.
Okay. Yeah. Don't know why there's
Come.
the play. Then I can kind of move everybody else into position for the ambush that's sure to come.
On my way.
You. You're gonna aim for center of mass.
Roger.
Because there's, like, fat chance that you're gonna...
Target missed. Copy that. Roger. I'm there.
Confirmed.
Coordinates received.
Apparently... Hopefully there's, like, at least a medium mech coming up. Let's go with Hydra first. In the Dire Wolf. You're gonna go fan. You know what? Good enough. Turn off one of the ear. You know what? No. Turn off one of the UACs. I at least did a little bit. Ooh, Firemouth's coming to play? Ooh, Firemouth's better chance of hitting with all of the things. Bye-bye.
It's go time. Enemy eliminated.
Alright. Well, let's continue on our way.
Coordinates received.
Ooh, enemy contact. I'm okay with that. We will let loose on this cougar. Get treats.
Enemy mech. Critical damage detected.
Oh yes. Get more treats.
Omnipotent, omniscient, sovereign, immutable.
Oh.
There is no escape, no intervention can work in this place.
I don't think that mech pilot is having a very good time at the moment.
Target's down.
Thank you.
This is getting tiresome.
Building. Then my troops die. I don't dig that at all. Eh? There we go. That looks right. Load. Aim. Oh.
Enemy mech. Critical damage detected.
Firing. Inflicted some nasty on that some bitch.
That's right.
What are your orders, Skipper?
The work you put in on that thrust controls really paid off. Steering is buttery smooth.
Wanted to go fight some Jade Falcons and salvage some clan tech. Because, I mean, aim.
Acknowledged.
And I could. Hold up. Something's up. Oh. Okay. Well. Phantom.
Heads out.
Just so that you can actually have some evasion pips. If I go like that. Yeah, we're gonna aim at you. And we're gonna say aim for the head. We'll go with this. We'll aim at you, because you have... Yeah, you have battle armor on you.
Critical hit, Commander.
Nice. Okay. Well... Servo. We're gonna go over here, because I need technically you to be a spotter at the moment. I may regret...
Light damage. Holding firm.
Dare you! Hold on. There's a spot where I can have a... Yeah, you know what? We're gonna go right there.
Looks like I'll need a new target.
Well, made short work of that battle mech.
Waiting for orders. I read you, Commander. Moving out.
LRMs, plasma PPC, LRMs. What do you got? Oh yeah, you have the metric shit ton of LRMs. So we're gonna leave you where you're at. You're gonna target protect for everybody else in the turn. Make everybody else's lives a little bit easier. And yeah. Well. You. Aim for the head.
Roger.
It is not too late for my mercy. Farewell, sweet Nerevar.
Whoopsie doodle. Hey there, Kate. How are you doing? I think we're also going to advance. Ooh, okay. Always headshots.
Here we go.
Oh.
Waiting for orders. Location confirmed.
You know what? Go for it. Might be able to hit something.
Standing by. I'm walking here. I'm there.
Do 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 do.
We have the asset, Commander.
Oh. Well, that was anticlimactic.
Ready to rock.
80.
10-4.
You know what? Yeah. I want that fat salvage. I should be able to get at least one mech out of this fight. I mean, the most... I might get a heavy mech. Most likely it'll be a medium. I've made a little bit of money. Nothing, like, significant, but a little bit. Okay, so I'll take the Fire Moth. That'll give me 3 Fire Moth pieces. We're just gonna reload the save file. And hopefully... And if it does it again, I'm gonna try a different mission? Who's next? Sherman.
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor, come.
Shady. You get to play with a new ride. I need to get some more mech warriors.
Mech warriors, prepare for combat.
I was expecting more. Well, I'm gonna get at least one light mech out of the deal. And I would like you to fire upon him.
Yup.
Right. Go for it. Turn off an LRM 20.
10-4.
And if I turn off a medium pulse. Medium, yeah, well, hold on. There we go. Blam. Yeah, you're gonna go over this way.
Moving out.
Oh, Ultra Ball. You hear me? I said Ultra Ball. But it is a mech that I can sell.
Command interface initiated.
Could just take out all of the Jade Falcon forces. I mean, that's entirely plausible too.
Rolling. Coordinates received.
With the long distance laser fire. And your B with everything else.
Firing on multiple enemies.
It was worth a shot. Eh? Oh. I mean, you kind of an upgrade. What do you have? Machine gun. I'm going to come over here and shoot you in the back. Yeah, shoot you in the back.
Lay down your weapon.
Oh, yeah, she did. Um. Hmm. Think that's actually everyone.
Roger. Venting heat.
So we should be leaving combat now. Yeah. There we go. Okay, so they have at least one. Oh, it's a fire moth. Oh. Guy. He's just a little guy. Go over there. Okay. I mean, there's an easier way.
Yes, Commander.
Freedom?
Aye.
I hope we can salvage that.
Well, that took care of that, I guess.
I copy. Roger that, Commander.
Affirmative.
Consider it done.
Buddy, advance. I thought you had the... Oh, no, you don't have the... Leap of foot, or whatever the fuck it's called. You do. Oh, lame.
Hey! Stand still when I'm attacking you!
Yes, Commander.
Did I? Yaza, I would like you also to go and fire upon them. You have ammunition, and it needs to be placed upon their mech. Nope. Headshots.
Rolling.
I just, something tells me they're having a very bad day.
Heading out.
Probably actually have Sharmat go and pick up the VIP. That will probably be...
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor.
Pardon me. A and B.
No problem. I've got enough guns for everyone.
Affirmative, Commander.
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor, come.
Ugh, it's a bunch of light mechs. Hey.
Crap. That hit hard.
That did damage to my armor. That's not cool. Oh, I bring lots of big guns. In fact, I'm bringing 12 big guns as we speak. Yeah.
Confirmed. Moving to position.
On my way.
Got it, Commander.
Oh, there goes your leg.
Think I hit something.
Well,
Good to go.
that is one less enemy to deal with. My good girl. Yes, you my good girl. You got your 2 treats.
Commander? Don't need to tell me twice.
Coordinates received. Position confirmed.
I'm rolling.
In order to even have a chance of hitting this guy right now, I need to fucking precision strike.
No luck. Ready for orders.
That print as well. You're gonna go up this way.
Understood. Moving fast.
And we're also going to stay down. Yeah. Turn off the hyper assault gauss. I don't need to fire that. Sharky, welcome in. So I suspect you've been lurking for a bit.
Firing.
No joy.
Nothing.
You should say thank you to Sharky. Two, 56, 56. Damn. You know what? So, fire in places where I did not
On my way.
use Inferno stuff.
Acknowledge, Commander.
Acknowledged.
Location confirmed.
Good sensor lock. You know what? I'll just kind of Hail Mary some shots at you.
Engaging target.
Yeah, like that. Okay, lasers. Oh yeah, Artemis works better when you're looking directly at them.
Acknowledged.
I don't want that mech to be standing there anymore. Please make it go away. What are you doing? I'm glad those PPCs missed. Oh. I'll take the salamander piece. I'll take the elemental piece. I'll take the 2 cougar pieces. I don't know why I would ever garrison any of my like battle armor troops in a building. Because like, if the enemy blows up, too bad I don't have multi-targeting on her. I'm gonna take shield stance though, and you know what? You're gonna drop. We're gonna go over here.
Acknowledged.
You know what? I'm gonna multi-target. Kit Fox is gonna be target A. Okay, so hey, come into play.
I'm receiving you. Move order received.
Let's see. Actually, no. I won't regret. Yeah, there we go. Ooh. Okay.
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor, come.
We're gonna go and screen our Timberwolf friend.
Standing by.
Cardon in the slow-ass Atlas. Move up that way.
Onward.
Oh wow, you can fucking go.
Move into position.
You need to sprint. And enter turn.
Waiting for orders.
Doctor. Well,
How sweet it is to be a god.
Isn't that just fun?
Standing by. I'm there.
Normal rounds. You're gonna soften that fire moth up. I'm once again a nuisance to Mother Nature. Lighting fucking the forest on fire again.
I'm going.
That
You
means the
betcha.
shooting is gonna start soon.
Copy that, Commander.
Order acknowledged.
On the move.
Load. Yay! What? Doesn't... Oh, blood asp. Thank you for dropping that shout-out, Trekkie.
Copy that, Commander.
Move order received.